My favorite, celery juice. Let's get into it. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in with your fave. I am Sierra Stone, where I believe that beauty is within all of us. And remember, never let life stop your ability to manifest your dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am going to be making celery juice with a blender. Yes, it's actually true. You do not need to have a juicer just to actually make celery juice. Okay, I have not made celery juice in a while using my blender, so I did forget a key ingredient. That's why the celery looks a little dry and crusty, like chapped lips, but I'm adding my water to help to go ahead and mix the celery in properly. I need these vegetables to really break down and liquefy, so therefore we can actually make the celery juice. Okay, so now you're going to see me grabbing my cheesecloth bag, or you can use a nut milk bag. I will put the link below. And as you're pouring your mixture into the actual bag, please make sure that you have a measuring cup or something, anything that you can think of while you're pouring this, because you don't want the stuff to get all over. And I just want you all to watch what I'm doing because this is very key as far as making your perfect celery juice. I do want to share with you some of the benefits of drinking celery juice daily. It has tons of antioxidants. It's going to reduce with the inflammation. It is a great source of vitamin A, which is known to reduce wrinkles, along with helping with those acne scars and lightening those dark spots that you can receive from sun damage or just really any dark spots that you do have. I've noticed for me personally, it has to help to brighten my skin complexion. It's going to reduce memory loss, stimulate your hair growth, clear your skin. I mean, listen, celery juice just helps with a lot of things. You can use it for a pre-workout drink, a post-workout drink. It's just so beneficial. And honestly, I start my morning every day with a cup of celery juice on an empty stomach. I absolutely love it. Look at that pulp, you all. That pulp, listen, first of all, that pulp is very dry, as if you are juicing. Like when I juice my celery, the pulp looks just like that. That was a good squeeze that I did. So just keep watching this video. And as you see right now, I'm just going to go ahead and pour that celery juice into the bottle. Oh my gosh, it's making me so excited. I want to drink some more celery juice right now because this stuff is good. And here's the thing, I always get asked, oh my gosh, what does it taste like? It's not bad. So instead of just watching the video, I need you guys to go out right now and go purchase some celery. You all need to start this journey like with me ASAP. So I just wanted to share this little tidbit. The reason why I decided to make this video is because I had so many people DMing me on Instagram when my page was activated, and they were asking me like, oh my gosh, how do you make celery juice if you don't have a juicer? And I'm like, are you serious? It's super easy. So let me go ahead and just upload this video and show you how to make this powerful magic juice so you can start having the benefits and seeing a difference with your overall results. Y'all, please comment below if you've tried this. Let me know how your results go. And listen, let's just go ahead and toast. Get us some celery juice and drink up. It looks so beautiful and so amazing. You all, thank you so much for watching another video. And make sure you subscribe to see more.